That Pilates class was great. Oh my god, I miss Pilates so much. The last Pilates class I took, I'm trying to get back into schedule, into some sort of regimen, but the last class I took, I didn't bring you guys with me. This is my second class back in session. I don't think I've been back to Pilates. Yeah, I haven't taken a Pilates class since like maybe late June. So it was really hard. It was good though. It feels so good. Pilates is just such a good like workout. And you know, when I'm in the gym, I move fast, and Pilates just requires you to go a lot slower, and it's more intense because you're activating so many muscles at the same time. I was in there struggling to get through a plank. Struggling. So I hope I got good footage. I didn't record the first half of the workout, which was my fault, because I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't, and then towards the end you guys died. So I hope I got something. But anyway, I'm about to head home and pack lunches, put my son's stuff in the dryer. I have clothes in the washer right now that I need to put in the dryer. Shoot. Okay, I won't try to run the light. But yeah, that's it. I don't know what day it is of Vlogtober, but welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia, and we are doing Vlogtober. I am posting a video every day. They're not always going to be vlogs. I do have some like segmented stuff, sit down content as well, but we're just trying to post every day this month to hit our goal. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to like, and if you enjoy the content, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and chat with me in the comments would be greatly appreciated. Not that long. The kids are off to school. Troy got them off to school. I got dressed, showered, did a little mini face. This is my outfit of the day. I'm gonna go make some coffee. You guys can come with me. I'm like in a mood because I didn't get my desk up in time, so now I have to be uncomfortable working, and I'm not really happy about it. So I'm like, do I just put my desk together or just do it tonight? So I'll probably just do it tonight and just sit at my dining room table. I know that this is all out, it's not professional, but I'm gonna put a blazer on. I have it in another room. It's just really hot, and I just really wanted to wear this shirt. This is an old Janae Naylor Target collection. I'll show y'all my outfit in a second. I feel like I have so many things to do and I'm a little overwhelmed and I don't know why. So I'm gonna make a coffee. Maybe that'll help calm me. At least the sound or the smell and the taste of like a warm brewed cup of coffee will make me feel better. I feel like I need it. You know? I'm back on, I'm back on my elderberry supplements. So I got a big giant case of these. They taste so good. I miss taking elderberry, but I take these every day just to help build my immune system. I also got, have some and I give them to my kids as well. It just helps with, you know, building your immune system, getting you ready for like cold and flu season. Now, it's not a perfect science, but zinc is what helps keep you, you know, keeps your immune system and helps with immune support is zinc. That's the largest contributor. Most of your vitamins have the zinc in them, but elderberry is just known to be really good for helping boost your immune system. Listen, y'all, this hair is working out. I'm also gonna throw some collagen in my coffee because it has been a while for that too. Back on my routine, and part of that routine is my collagen, which I have not been taking. If I'm completely honest, I haven't made a protein coffee in so long, y'all. I'm about to get back into the whole regimen because I am just struggle bus, girl. I'm not to have any of these baked goods over to the right, but I am gonna have a Biscoff cookie. I should fast. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and skip eating and just fast this morning. And we'll eat at 2. Yeah. I had an apple this morning before Pilates, so am I really fasting? Ate an apple in the car for pre-workout purposes. Because I'm trying not to take in too many stimulants. I feel like when I take too many stimulants throughout the day, I have a hard time getting rest and going to sleep, which I need my rest. Ooh, that's good. Okay. I gotta go. I have a meeting. Oh, so strong and so delicious. I love strong coffee. That's the problem too. That's why I don't need a lot of stimulants. I'm already drinking super strong coffee at that. I will show y'all my outfit in a bit. Oh, I gotta get all my documents ready and stuff for this meeting, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, here is the look that I'm wearing today. You guys can see me, right? So I have both of these, the shirt and the pants are actually from Target. Can you see my pants? No, hold on, let me back so you can see me. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. You guys still can't see my feet. Let me move up some. No, can you see my feet here? No, what the heck? I'm getting irritated now. Getting over it. I'm over it. At this point, here you go. Here y'all go. I'm getting irritated. I tried my hardest to give y'all see my feet, but it is what it is. All right, guys, this is my outfit of the day. I am working from home, but you know, I just wanted to get up, get dressed a little bit. I'm trying to get into that mood of just being happy in my clothes, I have this top from the Janae Naylor Target collection. Very cute. These pants are actually from Target as well. The buttons are messed up. They do fit, but it's like the double waist trouser. Very cute. I like that the pinstripe. I like the stripe with the stripe. Really cute. This blazer is vintage. It's vintage Fendi, and it's a little darker than I would like. It leads black, more black. It's like a true navy. So there's a few colors happening, which I don't necessarily hate. I like the way it came together, but this leads very dark next to the pant, which is fine. Look of the day. Very corporate girly pop. It looks really cute without the blazer too. Let me show y'all. But this blazer is really cute without the blazer too. I need to clean this mirror, but it looks so cool together. I had this idea in my head last night because I was going through my closet and I was like, oh, I could wear this top. Why are you guys not focusing in? There we go. Yeah, so I had this idea in my head to wear like this top that she created, which is so cool, and I love the flare out effect with these pinstripe pants, which I thought would look really cool together. And then I just have on these white slingbacks. I think they're old, but they're from Charles and Keith, you know. They like the Monaco heels. Sunday steppers is what I call them, but they're super comfortable. But yeah, that is the look of the day. And yeah, that's that. I don't even have any jewelry on, just my same old jewelry. So when I have my meeting, I'm just gonna throw my blazer on. You could also put like a cardigan on over this if you wanted to, but I don't want my shoulders exposed. It's up real high like this and then put my blazer on top. So it'll look nice. But for now, this is the look.